Tackle your ceiling with paint in just one weekend with these tips. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So one of the tasks I need to tackle in my home on the first floor is redoing my ceiling, and I'm just going to be painting it white. So check it out, guys. I actually put a hot pot under cold water and it created this steam, which then created all this black gunk up on my ceiling, which actually prompted this whole project to begin with. So here's what you're gonna need to get started. Drop cloths. I have a Swiffer on hand too. It's important to remove any dust before you start taping and painting. This way, all the dust and any pet hair or dander or anything like that doesn't get stuck on the paint and on your walls. You need a large paint tray as well as a smaller one so you can hold it while you're up by the ceiling and store your brush in it. And speaking of brushes, I am using a 2.5-inch brush, but it's on an angle. You need painter's tape. Tape out your ceiling if you're not planning on painting your walls just yet. This way you have a nice crisp line that doesn't get on your actual wall. Of course, you need a paint roller and the roller head. My go-to rollers are from Purdy. They're White Dove, and this is a 3/8 nap, which just means how thick the roller actually is going to be. This is a smooth to semi-smooth surface, so it's going to leave a clean look on the ceiling. I would have some paper towels on hand, also an extension if you're going to be painting the ceiling. Have a ladder on hand too to reach hard to reach places. And then I also like to have a trim and touch-up roller. Over time, ceiling paint can not only fade, but it can start to look dirty because it's just hard to keep white clean in a home. So just putting a new fresh coat of paint on your ceiling can make your room look lighter and brighter. So take your can of paint and give it a good shake. If it's been sitting for a while, then what we're gonna do is just open it up. And since the ceiling is white already, all I need to do is basically just put one coat over it. If this is a new ceiling that you're doing, or let's say you have a dark, bold color on your ceiling for some reason, then you're going to probably need to prime your ceiling first before actually painting. So I'm just gonna give this a good mix, and I'm gonna pour some in my paint containers. You want to start in one corner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out with my paintbrush. Next up, I'm going to take my extender and I'm going to attach it to the bottom of my roller. Okay, so you want to make sure that that is nice and secure. You want to give your roller a nice layer of the paint. And then what you could do with your extender is extend this to make the painting process up on the ceiling a lot smoother. So again, start in that same corner, and you want to get pretty close to the edges and just start rolling. Don't roll like haphazardly or make a mess or anything like that. So just roll everything all in the same direction. And I would say take small sections and roll it that way. This way you get nice, clean, smooth lines, and you're able to control where you're actually painting. Make sure you also smooth out any of the lines that you see. And it's as simple as that. Now, make sure that your first coat dries completely before deciding if a second coat is needed. Luckily for me, I only needed one coat. For more home painting tips, go check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe below and check out our website, www.torytoth.com, for more home tips. Until next time, happy painting!